Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to start an AI side hustle from phone and make money online without expensive equipment, technical skills, or a huge following? If so, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how beginners are using AI tools from their phones to create content, generate traffic, build audiences, and promote affiliate products that can pay commissions over and over again. Now, before we get started, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post new videos every week on AI, affiliate marketing, side hustles, and making money online. And if you want my #1 recommended system for beginners, check the first pinned comment below this video. Inside, you'll find Daily Income Method, which shows how people are earning commissions online, and includes a bonus package of over 100,000 viral video clips you can use for your own content. Let's jump right in. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about making money online is they think they need a laptop, expensive software, fancy cameras, or years of experience. The reality is that in 2026, most of the tools you need are already sitting in your pocket. Your phone is now more powerful than computers that existed just a few years ago. You can create videos, you can edit content, you can generate AI scripts, you can build landing pages, you can communicate with customers, you can post content, and you can even run an entire online business directly from your phone. That's why the AI side hustle from phone trend is exploding right now. People are realizing they don't need complicated systems. They need simple systems, and AI helps simplify almost everything. So what exactly is an AI side hustle from phone? At its core, it's simply using artificial intelligence tools to help create content, attract attention, solve problems, and earn commissions or income online. You're not necessarily creating products. You're not necessarily building software. Instead, you're leveraging AI to help you create valuable content much faster than before. The beauty of this model is that AI can do a lot of the heavy lifting. Need content ideas? AI can help. Need video scripts? AI can help. Need captions? AI can help. Need hooks? AI can help. Need content outlines? AI can help. Need faceless videos? AI can help with that too. Now let me be very clear. AI is not a magic button. AI does not replace effort. AI does not replace consistency. AI does not replace learning. But AI can dramatically increase your productivity. And that's where the opportunity exists. Let's talk about how this works step by step. Step #1 is choosing a niche. This is where many beginners make mistakes. They try to talk about everything: fitness, crypto, finance, marketing, health, motivation, relationships, and everything else. That usually doesn't work. The better strategy is choosing one niche. Focus creates clarity. Clarity creates better content. Better content creates better results. Some examples include affiliate marketing, AI tools, personal finance, motivation, business, health, productivity, entrepreneurship, technology. Choose a niche that has existing demand and people actively searching for solutions. Step #2 is finding products or services you can promote. This is where affiliate marketing comes in. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending products and earning commissions when someone purchases through your referral link. Many companies offer affiliate programs. Some programs pay a few dollars. Some pay recurring commissions. Some pay hundreds of dollars per sale. In fact, one of the reasons I like Daily Income Method is because it teaches a simple, beginner-friendly approach and introduces opportunities that can pay substantial commissions. If you'd like more information about that, check the pinned comment below. Now let's move to step #3, creating content. This is where AI becomes extremely powerful. In the past, creating content could take hours. You had to brainstorm ideas, write scripts, research topics, create thumbnails, edit videos, and publish everything manually. Today, AI can assist with nearly every part of the process. For example, you can ask AI to generate video ideas. You can ask AI to create titles. You can ask AI to write scripts. You can ask AI to create outlines. You can ask AI to generate social captions. You can ask AI to improve your hooks. This dramatically reduces the amount of time required to create content. Now let's talk about faceless content, because that's one of the hottest trends right now. Many people don't want to show their face, and that's okay. You don't have to. There are entire businesses being built around faceless content. You can use stock footage, you can use AI-generated visuals, you can use screen recordings, you can use slideshow videos, you can use educational graphics, you can use voiceovers, you can use AI voice tools, and you can create professional content without ever appearing on camera. In fact, many successful channels never show the creator's face. That's why faceless content continues growing year after year. Another tool worth mentioning is Syllabi. Syllabi helps automate content creation and makes it easier to produce faceless videos. If you're interested in using Syllabi, I have a discount available in the pinned comment below as well. Now let's talk about traffic, because traffic is everything. Without traffic, nobody sees your content. Without content, nobody clicks. Without clicks, nobody buys. The good news is there are multiple traffic sources available. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Pinterest, YouTube long-form videos, Google Search, email marketing. The strategy I recommend is simple. Create one piece of content, repurpose it everywhere. This means you're working smarter instead of harder. Let's say you create one video, post it on TikTok, post it on Instagram, post it on Facebook, post it on YouTube Shorts. Now one piece of content becomes 4 opportunities. And if you're using AI, creating that content becomes even faster. Another important piece of the puzzle is consistency. Many people quit too early. They post for a week, nothing happens. They post for 2 weeks, nothing happens. Then they quit. The problem isn't always the strategy. The problem is often consistency. The internet rewards consistency. Every piece of content is another opportunity. Every post is another chance. Every video is another asset working for you. Think of content like seeds. Plant enough seeds and eventually something grows. Plant nothing and nothing grows. That's why consistency matters. Now let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They focus on selling instead of helping. The goal isn't to constantly pitch. The goal is to solve problems. People buy solutions, not sales pitches. If somebody has a problem and your content provides a solution, you're building trust. Trust leads to clicks. Clicks lead to commissions. That's the process. Another mistake is constantly switching strategies. One week they're doing crypto, the next week they're doing health, the next week they're doing motivation, the next week they're doing AI. Pick one direction and stay focused. Results come from repetition, not random action. Now let's talk about email marketing. Many beginners ignore this. That's a mistake. An email list is one of the most valuable assets you can build. Social platforms can change. Algorithms can change. Accounts can get restricted, but your email list belongs to you. That's why building an email list should be part of your long-term strategy. Traffic comes in, people join your list, you continue providing value, and you build relationships over time. Now let's discuss realistic expectations. Can an AI side hustle from phone make money? Yes. Can it become a full-time income? Yes. Can it happen overnight? Usually not. The people who succeed understand something important. Success comes from consistent execution, not magic tricks, not shortcuts, not secret hacks. Consistency wins. The people making money online today are usually the people who stayed in the game long enough to learn. That's why I encourage you to stop overthinking and start taking action. The opportunity is real. The tools are available. The barriers to entry have never been lower. You literally have access to AI tools that would have seemed impossible just a few years ago. And you can access them directly from your phone. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you again to check the first pinned comment. If you want my #1 recommended resource, Daily Income Method can help shortcut your learning curve. You'll also receive access to over 100,000 viral clips you can use for content creation. And if you're interested in creating faceless videos faster, don't forget to check out the Syllabi discount link there as well. If this video has been helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I'd love to know your biggest goal. Are you trying to earn your first commission? Are you trying to build a side income? Are you trying to replace your job? Let me know in the comments. I read as many comments as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep creating, keep posting, and I'll see you in the next video.